you killed somebody that meant a lot. Give a f about you laughing.
Mr. Sir.
Coward ass.
You listen to me.
We go to Green Bay, Wisconsin for a sentencing hearing. 40-year-old Joshua Skolman has been convicted of first-degree intentional homicide and attempted first-degree intentional homicide. Skolman was already in prison serving a 51-year sentence for killing 3 people in a 2006 drunk driving crash when, 16 years into that sentence, he stabbed 25-year-old inmate Timothy Neighbors Jr. in the stomach using a handmade knife that was inscribed with a swastika. Skolman then chased after and attacked 26-year-old inmate Lamonte Washington before corrections officers managed to subdue him with pepper spray. Neighbors was taken to a hospital, but died from his injuries 6 days later. Washington suffered only minor injuries and made a full recovery. Skolman didn't know either of the 2 victims, and later wrote to a fellow inmate that he only attacked the men because they were black. He was charged and pled not guilty by reason of insanity, but following a competency hearing, he was deemed competent to stand trial, and after a 4-day trial, the jury found him guilty on both charges. Today, Skolman appears before Judge Donald Zoodmulder to hear his sentence. But first, family members of Tim Neighbors deliver victim impact statements, beginning with his father, Tim Neighbors Sr.
I knew I would get an opportunity to look at you, to tell you, you killed somebody that meant a lot.
When the defendant smiles during his statement, Neighbors takes exception.
Give a f about you laughing.
Mr. Sir. Just a second. I can't allow this.
Coward ass.
That's gonna have to be it.
Sir, talk to him.
You listen to me. You have a right to address me, but you may not disrupt or cause a dangerous situation in my courtroom, which you just did. So,
Okay, Your Honor, I apologize.
Now,
Okay.
you're gonna be,
Okay.
you interrupt me one more time and you're out of here. You let me finish. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to have you ejected from my courtroom.
Judge Zoodmulder then briefly leaves the courtroom before returning a short while later.
Go right ahead.
You put my family and my people through an immense pain that we'll never get over. If this happened on the streets, I would have done nothing but hunted you down, and I would be on trial for my life myself. And that's all I gotta say.
When he's finished, the defendant is given a chance to speak.
I'm a weapon that I was meant to be. I've been fashioned this way for my entire life. I simply do what I am meant to do. Weapon does not ask questions, does not feel remorse. I don't even know what that is. I don't care. What do I care?
Skolman's words get a reaction from the Neighbors' family.
So, right?
The judge leaves the courtroom a second time as deputies step in to restore order.
All rise.
When things calm down, Judge Zoodmulder returns and delivers the final word.
We, as a species, have this terrible, terrible dark side, where some of us believe that anybody who is different than us or disagrees with us must be exterminated. Do I need to recite historically the horrible crimes that have been done in the name of I am a weapon and I am a purifier? It just causes one to pause and almost lose their breath. So considering the protection of the public, on count one, it's the sentence of the court of the judgment of the law that you be confined in the Wisconsin State Prison for the rest of your natural life. and that sentence is consecutive to any sentence you're now serving.
When Skolman's finished serving his original 51-year sentence, he'll begin his life sentence for the murder of Timothy Neighbors and the attempted murder of Lamonte Washington. He'll have no chance at parole.
Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.